Deciding who to do business with can be a daunting task. Do they have your best interest in mind? Will they provide the best value? Are they experienced? When you choose a doctor, would you prefer a doctor with a private practice or a doctor backed by a renowned hospital network? Would you prefer a generalist or a specialist? You want a doctor backed by technology, education, experience, focus, and a large support system. That's how the Sharko Weisenbeck team operates. We are a small business integrated with a publicly traded corporation, Marcus & Millichap, the largest national commercial real estate brokerage firm specializing in real estate investment services. With extensive technological advantages driven by an internal MLS-like system and a dedicated research department, you not only get our team but also our colleagues. Over 2,000 brokers and nearly 1,000 additional employees throughout the United States and Canada. Our collaborative environment allows for total market coverage and unparalleled information sharing for early trend recognition. It's no surprise we are ranked #1 for real estate investment sales in the United States by transaction volume. As a team and company, we know that cooperation is always in the best interest of our clients. Unlike many of our competitors, we cooperate with outside brokers, openly sharing our marketing materials and our commission, further ensuring complete market coverage. The offer you accept should be the best the market bears, which means we do our job exposing the opportunity, articulating the strengths of the asset, and combating the objections with substantive rationale. We have helped to negotiate hundreds of purchase contracts, resulting in billions of dollars of sales. The best thing about hiring the Sharko Weisenbeck team is that we strongly believe in a consultative and proactive partnership with our clients. We take a hands-on approach for complete transaction administration with full-time staff covering marketing, underwriting, and escrow management. What are you waiting for? Contact us today as your trusted advisors.